up, y'all? It's Nasia from All Things Nasia, and I'm back with another video. So what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? How's it going? I am back with another Cricut video. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm Nasia from All Things Nasia. I make videos about lifestyle, motherhood, and the Cricut machine. All things Cricut machine that I can learn myself so that I can teach you guys and look good while doing it. So if that's something that you guys think that you will enjoy watching, go ahead and click subscribe. You know, stick around. Watch a video or two. Watch all my videos. You know what I mean? It helps. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the Cricut Easy Press for you guys. So yes, I told you guys I would be getting the Cricut Easy Press. And I told you guys that I didn't know if I wanted to get it because, you know, I pride myself on my channel being all about getting things that people can obtain. So for a few of my videos I used an iron, I used my heat press, but I also said that I did want to reward myself by buying an easy press. So I did not buy the huge one, but I did buy the 9x9, and I think I bought that because I mostly do, you know, projects with kids, t-shirts and stuff like that. So, you know, I think it'll work out pretty well for me. But if not, I never really do really huge projects. So the 9x9 is actually completely perfect for me because even if I do need to cover a little bit more surface area on a t-shirt, I can just slide it right over, and that's all I gotta do. So yes, this is me trying out and testing out my easy press for you guys. So if you're interested in that, just keep on watching. So yes, this is the box that it came in. This is the Cricut Easy Press 2. It says your no stress heat press. Okay, period, with the rhyming. I know that's right. Compatible with infusible ink. So yes, if you haven't seen my infusible ink video, just go ahead and, you know, go watch that after you're done with this video or before, and you can always just come on back. I'll be right here. I'll wait. Alright, so you guys already know how I'm coming to you guys up close and personal. So I had just opened up Cricut Design Space and I went to a canvas, and this project is going to be fairly simple. It's literally only going to be lettering because I did go and pick up this patterned iron-on, and my sister let me know that my nephew really wanted something with one of these patterns. So I just got a size small shirt for him, and I'm just going to literally just be writing his name and cutting it out. Literally, that's all I'm doing. So I'm just gonna explore what fonts I want to use. When you are using a patterned iron-on, it is best to try to get a, you know, font in which you can see the iron-on. So something really blocky, if you know what I mean. I don't know if that makes sense, but something fairly blocky. Blocky is a dumb word, but solid is another good word. So this Janda Manatee Solid, I just literally saw that and I think that it'll be great. So I picked that font and I'm literally just going to be typing his name. His name is Adrian. And then what size do I think would be the best? So I think that just having it, you know, go across, I think 7. So I'm going to unlock over here using this button right here. Let me zoom in for you guys. So I unlocked using this button. This button will lock and unlock, because if you don't unlock it, then you can only make it like it's stuck. So if you make it bigger, it's going to stay at the size that Cricut decides to make it. But I want to make it my own size, so I am going to put it to about 7. So I'm going to unlock and go up here to size. So I'm just going to put 7, and I'm going to do 7 by 4 and see how that looks. So now seeing how that looks, remember this is zoomed in so it won't actually be this large. Seeing how that looks, I just want to see if I think I would like it better with, you know,
lowercase. I think I do like it a little bit better, but I am going to unlock and do 3 and see isn't
quick and easy project. What's up, y'all? So this is a iron-on project, so you want to always make sure that you mirror your image when you are using iron-on. Then I'm going to go ahead and open this up, grab my mat, and begin cutting. So I went ahead and picked this Donald Duck design out of there. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Use my little scraper to make sure that it is perfectly adhered. When using patterned iron-on, the pattern goes down. So pattern down so that all you see is this side. So I'm going to go ahead and press continue. I don't know if you guys can see on my laptop, but I couldn't get the brightness up any further. But I'm going to go ahead and press continue. I went ahead and put patterned iron-on and clicked done as my material. Then I'm going to go ahead and insert into my Cricut. So I just went ahead and made sure that I did mirror, because if you do not do mirror, that project will not come out correct and your words will not, you know, go on the right way. So it's going to come out saying his name perfectly. Now I'm going to press fast mode because y'all know I love fast mode. I am impatient. Then press the Cricut button. I'm telling you guys, Cricut is an amazing machine, man. You need to tell people to go on ahead and go get it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get some of this stuff out of the way. So put that there. Now I'm going to begin weeding. So I did go ahead and set up my ImPRESS, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. And what I did realize from some of the older, not older, but some of the other YouTube videos that I've been watching about the ImPRESS is that they have an thing, oh sorry, I like Facebook, but they have this thing where you can go ahead and type in ImPRESS heat guide on Google and it'll take you to Cricut.com. And basically, you tell them which machine you have. So I have the ImPRESS 2. I do have the ImPRESS 2. Let's see what else they have. So they have the Cricut ImPRESS, the ImPRESS 2, and the Cricut Mini. So I do have the ImPRESS 2. And then I'm going to go ahead and tell them what heat transfer material I'm using. And let's see if they have patterned iron-on. Base material is cotton. No, it's just 100% cotton, boo. So I picked 100% cotton. And then I am using one of these Cricut Easy Press mats. So I'll go ahead and press that. But you can also use a towel and press apply. So it says to preheat 5 seconds. So I'm going to preheat the shirt for 5 seconds and then press at 340 degrees for 30 seconds with firm pressure. Then flip and press for 15 seconds and peel while it's cool. So it tells you literally exactly what to do. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to heat this up to, it already says 30 seconds. So yeah, it's going to heat up to 340. Yeah. And then we'll be ready to use it. So I pressed the temperature button and I'm going to go up to 340 and then press it again. So it's going to heat up now all the way to 340, and I'm going to move that out of the way while I get my shirt ready. Get my design ready, which is right here. Then I'm going to preheat this for 5 seconds.
And turn it back.
Now I'm going to apply my design. Right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this sheet of parchment paper and set it on top. Then go ahead and apply. And I am adding firm pressure onto it. Alright, so it is done, so I'll just return that to the safety base. And then it does tell me to flip over. So I'm going to remove this little pad inside. And you do want to wait until it's cool to start peeling this. Even though I already see that it came off a little bit, but I just want to make sure it's completely adhered. So I'm going to put my pad here and flip my project over. And press. It does tell me to peel while cool, so I'm just going to let it sit for a couple of minutes and then begin peeling. Even though I can clearly see that it is all ready to peel, I'm just going to follow the directions for the sake of the video. So it has been a few minutes, guys. It is a little cool to the touch, so I'm going to go ahead and begin to peel carefully. Just peeling straight back at an angle. And this is what the project looks like, you guys. But just so I have a little bit more security, I'm going to put my parchment paper back on and press it for another, sorry, the way that this is plugged up, it's a little dumb. But I'm just gonna go ahead and press it. Just leave it on there for about 15 seconds, just to make sure that it is nice and adhered. Projects ever, and it's really cute. You guys can see a little Daffy Duck in there. Donald, my bad, Donald Duck in there. So thank you guys so much for watching my video on my first impression of the Easy Press. And my first impression is, bro, why didn't I get this sooner? I love this. It was very easy to use. It was self-explanatory. The heat guide made it completely even more easy, because I would have never known exactly what to heat it up to. But this is the shirt that I made. It's just his name, you know what I mean? And he's a pretty simple kid, so he's gonna love it. He's gonna think it's so cute. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Peace out, y'all.